So, pain, pain, chronic pain. When we are injured, our body is trying to fix that, and we release inflammation to that area to try to help speed up the process. But if it's chronic pain and we're dealing with something in an ongoing way, or a chronic illness, chances are that that is a trigger for the fight or flight. Now, we all go through these various different things, but if we're aware that these kinds of chronic illnesses, any kind of chronic illness, whether it's pain or not, the potential for our body and our body system to interpret that as a threat, then it puts us in a situation where our fight or flight could be running perpetually. So when or if those kinds of things are happening, you don't have to be overwhelmed by this, but be aware of the things that you can do. Be hydrated. Be responsible and pursue good sleep hygiene. Work towards learning to incorporate fresh food into your diet. We're going to talk about some other things about how to shut that off. In upcoming videos, we're going to take a look at how to shut it off. But just like the old cisterns, right? When you used to have an old well, you'd draw down that water and you'd have to wait for that cistern to fill back up. The same way it is with the fight or flight. The fight or flight, if it runs constantly, it draws your energy down. And many of us then become addicted to caffeine and other stimulants to try to boost up our energy. And we run, and then we crash in exhaustion. And so we're going to look more at those. But we're also next, we're going to talk about how to refill. And refill is just as important as turning off the fight or flight.